Hey everyone, welcome back to Knoll Tech. Today I'll show you how to limit your iPhone charging to your required percent and maximize your battery lifespan. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down until you find the battery option and tap on it. Next, look for Charging. This is where you control your iPhone's battery charging settings. You'll see Charging section. Tap on it. Now you'll see the charge limit option. Simply tap on it and select 80% or your required. This prevents your iPhone from charging beyond 80, which significantly reduces battery degradation over time. This feature is available for above iPhone 15. Below that, it doesn't have that feature. This is an iPhone 13, and I'll show you how below iPhone 14 can use similar alternative feature. You can enable optimized battery charging instead. This feature learns your charging routine and intelligently limits charging to 80% when needed. Go to Battery Health and Charging, then tap on Optimized Battery Charging and enable it. And that's it. Your iPhone will now stop charging at 80%, helping preserve your battery health for longer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.